Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. Wishing you all Merry Christmas. Today I have a very different kind of a video. I'm going to make cocktails for the first time. Believe it or not, I didn't even try making it before doing this video. This was my first time making cocktail and I didn't disappoint myself. I didn't want to make any haul video or holiday gift ideas video this time because I was like, Vidisha, don't make your mind get fixated to shopping, rather try something new. I hope you all like it. And the outfit that you're seeing today, it's a very beautiful sari. This beautiful net sari is from Bombay Boutique. I love the 3D flowers in it and also the border. It has purple, black, red, purple, silver. Loving the amalgamation of colors. I feel this is perfect for Christmas time. I hope you all like the cocktails that I make. So let's get started now. So the first cocktail is called Sidecar. I'm going to use cognac drink for both the cocktails. It's a specific type of brandy produced from distilled white wine and aged in French oak barrels. So firstly I'm placing the glass on the sugar. This is keto sugar, by the way, to get that coating on the rim. And I'm going to take 5 ounces of cognac. This is an extra old cognac with rich and complex blend. And then I'm going to add 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Next I'm going to add 3/4 ounce of Cointreau, which is orange flavored triple sec liquor produced in France. I'm going to mix them all together very well. Do use a strainer to pour it on your glass and enjoy the drink by garnishing it with orange twist. This is a very popular cocktail first introduced in London and named after motorcycle Sidecar. The next tasty concoction is the French Connection cocktail. I love this drink. Again, I'm going to use cognac. So I'm going to take 2 ounces of cognac and I'm going to take 1 ounce of this drink called Amaretto. Amaretto is a sweet Italian liquor made from almonds and stone fruit bits. I love this drink very much, and when they're mixed together, it's perfect drink after dinner, I feel. Instead of taking bigger chunks of ice, I crushed them into smaller pieces because that's how I like it, and I added a little bit of lemon to it. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you all in my last video of 2021.